what's up everybody, welcome back to another new video. So today's video is a hijab tutorial. Every girls love new hijab styles for different types of occasions. So in this video I'll be showing you one of my favorite hijab style. So let's get started. This is the look. You can team it up with different types of clothes for different types of occasions. This is my hijab style. You can team it up with Indian attire or Western attire for your choice. That's it for today's video. If you guys like this, please do subscribe and also share with your family and friends. And till then, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.